So this is Lucky Penny. This is my lead listing agent.
Hi.
This is this fabulous new house we have in El Segundo. We're so proud to have. The D-Built Design and Build team built this house. It is 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths on an 8,200 square foot lot in El Segundo. All right, the first thing we're going to show you is for car lovers. So this is such a great garage. It's over 600 square feet, tall ceilings. You could actually have a little workshop area here, which is amazing. Well, you could even maybe put a semi in here.
You could.
Anyway, let's get out of the garage and show the house.
All right.
Along with the house being completely beautiful and elegant, one of the things I think we both like a lot on this house is really the Parisian flair with the mid-century modern. And just like the lighting in here is so beautiful. So check it out. I love glamour and elegance in houses. I just think it just makes you want to be there. And what do you want to be in your house? You want to be there, be comfortable, and love it. So this could either be a den or an office. There's the little patio off the den, off the dining, and off the living area too. And El Segundo, let's talk about El Segundo for a minute, because how cool is this town? You know, people call it Mayberry, but I think it's Mayberry with a lot of style to it, and also really up and coming. I've been to there's a couple new restaurants that are fabulous, a new art gallery. Yes, yeah. So you've got also a complete chef's kitchen. Yes, now it's a rainy day, which is very rare in LA. Look at this outside. You could put a pool in. There's gas for a fire pit. It's private, it's quiet, great for families. It's just zen, and it's elegant, and it's so well built. Yeah, so come on, we'll finish. So Penny's not very happy that I drug her into this video. Okay, and then this is essentially the kids' wing of the house, and the master wing is on the other side. So let's go check it out. You've got 3 ensuite bathrooms, which is wonderful. All the vaulted ceilings, and there's character in each one, which I love. All of the bathrooms are elegant, but with a different flair. So like this one has a green tile that's gorgeous. It's like I would say a lime green, and it's really pretty. The second ensuite bedroom and bathroom. Third fabulous bedroom over here. I love the built-in closet. And then everything being en suite is so nice, and the kids wing being on one side of the house is it's very special. Everyone's around each other, but it's also private, which I think is important. So go down there. All right, so the master suite with the vaulted ceilings, and I love the windows that look over the yard too. I just think that this house is so well appointed, and the design build team, they really thought about everything. I could just stay here.
And it's an elegant closet.
We could dance to this. This is great music in here. And the master bath has heated floors and Hansgrohe fixtures and a custom vanity. It is fabulous. It's such an elegant home in El Segundo.
So here we are in El Segundo in the shower.
Yes,
and Penny Bond. We love
Lucky Penny.
House. We just love this house. This house has everything to offer a great family. It's got great schools, it's got great neighborhoods. It's a really wonderful place.
Yeah, come check it out and just give us a call. Easy to show, and you will love it here. Thanks so much. Bye.